Hey, have you seen the sparks flying over at the construction site? It's like a scene straight out of a movie.
That's not just for show. That's the incredible process of manual metal arc welding in action. It's one of the most fundamental and essential welding techniques in the industry.
Manual metal arc welding, that sounds intriguing. What exactly is it?
Manual metal arc welding, or stick welding, is a welding process where an electric arc is struck between a consumable electrode and the workpiece, melting the electrode and creating a weld pool. It's a simple yet powerful technique that has been used for decades in various industries.
Wow, that's fascinating. But how does it work in practice? It seems like a delicate process.
You're right, it requires skill and precision. The welder holds the electrode holder in one hand and uses the other hand to manipulate the electrode. They strike an arc between the electrode and the workpiece, creating an intense heat that melts the electrode and the base metal, allowing them to fuse together.
It sounds like a lot of responsibility rests on the welder's shoulders. How do they ensure a strong, high-quality weld?
Excellent welding technique is crucial. The welder must maintain a consistent arc length, travel speed, and electrode angle. They also need to control the weld pool's fluidity and ensure proper fusion between the base metal and the electrode. It takes practice, but a skilled welder can produce incredibly strong and reliable welds using SMAW.
I can imagine that safety is a major concern with all that heat and molten metal involved.
Absolutely. Proper safety gear, such as welding helmets, gloves, and fire-resistant clothing, is essential. The welding area must be well ventilated, and fire protection measures should be in place. Safety is always the top priority.